The Junkers F13 was the world's first aircraft designed from the beginning as a commercial passenger airliner. It first flew on June 25, 1919, only months after the end of the First World War, and introduced design principles that became the standard for passenger aircraft for decades. The project began in late 1918 under chief designer Otto Reuter and the leadership of Professor Hugo Junkers. Earlier concepts carried 3 passengers, but the final design accommodated 4 in a fully enclosed, heated cabin. The prototype, named Herta, originally used a Mercedes D.3A engine before receiving the more powerful 185 horsepower BMW 3A during flight testing. In September 1919, the aircraft reached an altitude of 6,750 meters, demonstrating excellent performance for its era. The F-13 was revolutionary because of its all-metal duralumin construction. Instead of wood and fabric, it used corrugated stressed metal skin covering an internal framework. Its low-wing cantilever layout eliminated external struts and bracing wires, reducing drag while increasing structural strength. Thick wings housed the fuel tanks, improving cabin space and weight distribution. The aircraft also featured seat belts, an enclosed passenger cabin with large windows, and optional dual-flight controls for long-distance operations. The Treaty of Versailles severely restricted German aircraft production and exports. Hugo Junkers overcame these obstacles through international partnerships. American entrepreneur Junkers-Larsen imported aircraft in sections, assembled them in the United States, and marketed them as the Junkers-Larsen JL6. These aircraft flew with the United States Air Mail, private airlines, industrial companies, and the United States Army. In 1921, an F-13 established a world endurance record by remaining airborne for 26 hours, 5 minutes, covering 4,270 kilometers, approximately 2,653 miles. After restrictions eased in 1922, the F-13 became one of the world's most successful early airliners. About 322 aircraft were built in Germany, the Soviet Union, and under license elsewhere. The type served airlines across Europe, Asia, Africa, North and South America, operating from conventional airfields, rivers, lakes, snow, and ice using interchangeable wheels, floats, or skis. It carried more than 1/3 of global commercial air traffic during the early 1920s and remained in airline service for over 30 years. Its strong metal structure, low maintenance requirements, and exceptional durability made it commercially successful despite a higher purchase price. The F-13 also became the foundation for later Junkers designs, including the W-33 and W-34. Several original aircraft survive in museums. In 2009, Junkers Flugzeugwerk began recreating the aircraft using original blueprints. The modern replica first flew in 2016, retains the classic appearance, incorporates modern safety equipment, and is powered by a Pratt & Whitney radial engine. More than a century after its first flight, the Junkers F-13 remains one of the most influential aircraft in aviation history.